Hey guys, welcome to the page of Secret Coast Security and AV. My name is Chuck. I'm part of the sales team, and this is Matt. He's the owner. This is Tim. He's also part of the sales team. Together we have a combined 30 years of experience in the industry. A little bit about what we do. We install security systems, alarm systems, surveillance systems, and audiovisual systems in any residential, small business, or commercial setting. We also offer month-to-month contracts. We also offer financing up to 60 months. And more importantly, guys, we offer a lifetime warranty on the equipment that you purchase from us as long as you have a contract with us. Additionally, if you're not completely satisfied with your current provider, we can come out and evaluate your system. And usually at little or no cost to you, we can take it over and provide you with our superior service. Guys, also too, if you'd like to find out more information, there's a number right above me. Additionally, you can find us on Instagram and YouTube, so please make sure you subscribe to us so that you can find out whenever we have these new videos coming out. In the future, we're going to be providing great tips on the latest technology, and then also we're going to be providing some how-to videos on your current equipment and your mobile apps. Guys, we want to say thank you again for joining us. We look forward to working with you in the future, and more importantly, we look forward to keeping your family safe and secure for many years to come.